Sara Geronimo isn't afraid to show affection towards her husband, Matteo Guidicelli. During Uniqlo's Spring-Summer 2024 collection launch at the Palacio de Memoria on Wednesday, Sara and Matteo graced the event as brand ambassadors, giving fashion tips to select press members and key opinion leaders. At the event, the married couple were very clingy to each other, with the two casually calling each other love and mahal. When Matteo was discussing the pieces he was wearing, Sara couldn't help but say, "Ang ganda, love, and ang gwapo mo, mahal," while looking at her husband. Matteo and Sara got married in February 2020. Their wedding was filled with controversy after Sarah's mom reportedly arrived unexpectedly and was enraged at the event. In 2023, Matteo said that he is prepared to become a father and that spending the rest of his life with Sara is his ultimate goal. Since signing with GMA Public Affairs, Matteo has already done several projects with the network, including Black Rider, and being a mainstay at Unang Hirit.